Have you ever unlocked your phone just by looking at it? That's facial recognition. It feels impossibly futuristic, but the science is surprisingly direct. At its absolute core, facial recognition is a way of turning your face into a string of numbers. Your phone's camera doesn't just snap a picture. It actively scans for patterns. It measures the precise distance between your eyes. It charts the shape of your cheekbones, the unique curve of your jawline. It takes dozens, sometimes hundreds of these tiny, specific measurements from your features. Together, these measurements become a unique mathematical map, almost like a digital fingerprint, but one made exclusively for your face. No two people have the exact same set. When you set it up, your device saves this map. And here's the key. It doesn't store a photo, it only stores the code. So when you look at your phone again, the camera builds a new map in milliseconds and checks if it matches the code it has saved. But what stops someone from just holding up a photo of you? That's where infrared sensors come in. Infrared light works even in total darkness, and crucially, it adds depth. It's scanning you in 3 dimensions, making a flat picture useless. Now, like any technology, it isn't flawless. If the lighting is bad, if you start wearing glasses or grow a beard, the system has to adjust. That's why newer algorithms use machine learning. The more times you unlock, the better it gets at recognizing you, learning your face under different conditions. And that data is kept secure. It's usually stored right on your device, not in the cloud, protected with encryption. So the next time you unlock your world with a glance, remember, it's not magic, it's math. It's a silent, split-second conversation between light, measurements, and code.